Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I built my online store with $0 in 2025. Yes, literally $0. If you are thinking about starting your own online business, this guide is for you. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it just like I did it. Now let's get started with the video. First, I chose a free e-commerce platform like Shopify, Free Trial or Square Online, Wix or other shopping or other e-commerce platform that let you start without paying a single penny. Next, I picked a niche and a small product category which I was interested in. Focusing on one niche makes it easier to market your store and attract customers. To find a product, you can simply head on to Alibaba and find your product there, or you can also use Google to find any product that you want, quality or quantity. Otherwise, you can contact a local vendor in your town or state to manufacture the goods for you, then ship it right away. Then I used a free tool for designing my store. First is the Canva. You can simply search for Canva in the Google Play Store or the App Store in iOS. Canva helped me create logos, banners and social media posts for free for my online store that requires $0 to start. After that, I added a free or print-on-demand product where you can print your own ideas or your own design on my product. Print-on-demand services like Printful or Teesprings let you sell products without holding inventory of your own. Finally, I promoted my store using free marketing strategies like social media, that is through TikTok videos, Instagram and different other social media platforms, and joining relevant communities to share my product around the globe. And that's how I built my online store with $0 in 2025. Start small, focus on your niche and use free tools and leverage social media to grow your account or your business. If this guide helped you out, drop a like, subscribe and comment what guide you want me to cover next. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.